nga po pala ulit si Teacher Mitch. At nasa part 2 na po tayo ng ating Week 4 lesson in Mathematics 6. At ang title ng ating i-discuss ay Solving Percent Problems such as Markup Price and Sales Tax. Milk Base. Learning Goal. Solves percent problems such as markup price and sales tax. The following are terms used in markup problems. Siguraduhing tandaan po natin ang bawat isa. Markup or M is the increase in the price of an item. Ibig sabihin, ang markup ay ang halagang idinagdag sa original amount ng produkto. Markup rate or MR is the percent to be added to the price of an item. Ito ang percent na katumbas ng markup na idinadagdag sa original amount. Cost or C is the original amount of an item. Ang cost naman ay ang tawag sa original na halaga ng produkto. Ang selling price ay ang halaga na kung saan ang markup ay idinadagdag sa cost, kaya ito ngayon ang ating babayaran sa nagtitinda. Markup represents percentage. Markup rate represents rate. Cost represents the base. The following formulas are used in solving markup problems. Para madaling tandaan ang mga formulas, gagamit tayo ng Tatian's triangle. Papalitan natin ang percentage ng M or markup. Ang rate naman ang magiging markup rate or MR. At ang base ang magiging cost or C. Para makuha ang formula ng markup, ang M ang nasa taas or markup. Ang dalawang nasa baba ay ang markup rate at cost. Sila po ang ating imumultiply. So, ang magiging formula natin ay markup or M equals markup rate times cost. Para makuha naman ang cost or C, ang nasa taas ay ang markup divided by markup rate. Para naman makuha ang markup rate, ang nasa taas pa rin ay ang markup divided by cost, then times 100%. Sa Tatian's triangle, walang selling price, kaya ito ngayon ang ating tatandaan. Selling price or SP equals cost plus markup, or selling price or SP equals cost times parenthesis 100% plus markup rate. Computing for the markup price. Example 1. In a toy store, the owner adds a markup of 15% on toy cars. How much is the markup price if a toy car originally cost 120 pesos? Given 15% or 0.15 equals the markup rate. 120 pesos is the cost. At ang ating isosolve ay ang markup price. Pero paano naman natin nakuha ang 0.15 sa markup rate? Kung natatandaan ninyo, ang lesson na ito ay tungkol sa changing percent to decimals. At kapag tayo ay mag-change ng percent to decimals, papalitan lang natin ang percent sign ng decimal point. Then, i-move natin ang decimal point 2 places to the left. Kaya from 15% magiging 0.15. Using formula, markup or M equals markup rate times cost. Markup rate is 15% times cost, which is 120. change 15% to decimals, magiging 0.15 times 120. 120 times 0.15, the product is 18. So the markup equals 18 pesos. Answer: the markup price of a toy is 18 pesos. Computing for the markup rate. Example 2. In a bookstore, the owner adds a markup of 3 pesos and 30 centavos on all the products. What is the markup rate of a notebook that costs 33 pesos? Given. 3 pesos and 30 centavos is the markup. 33 pesos is the cost. At ang ating isosolve ay ang markup rate. Using formula, markup rate or MR equals markup divided by cost times 100%. Markup is 3 pesos and 30 centavos divided by cost, which is 33 pesos. Then times 100%. So unahin muna natin ang division. 3.30 divided by 33, the quotient is 0.10. Or, isulat na lang po natin ang 0.10, then times 100%. Gamitin natin ang shortcut in multiplying decimals by 100%. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-move lang natin ang decimal point 2 places to the right. So, gagawin natin siyang percent. So, markup rate is equal to 10%. Answer: the markup rate of the notebook is 10%. Computing for the selling price. Example 3. The original selling price of a stove was 980 pesos. This price was increased by 20%. How much was the increase in the price of stove? What was the selling price? Given. 980 pesos is the original price. 20% or 0.2 is the markup rate. At ang ating isosolve ay ang markup at selling price. Pero paano nakuha ang 0.2 sa markup rate? In changing percent to decimals, palitan po ang percent ng decimal point, then move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Kaya yung 20% magiging 0.2 or 0.20. Using formula, markup equals markup rate times cost. Markup rate is 20% times cost, which is 980. Change 20% to decimals. So, ilalagay natin ang 0.2 times 980. 980 times 0.2, the product is 196. Markup equals 196 pesos. Selling price or SP equals cost or C plus markup or M. Cost is 980 pesos. Markup is 196. So 980 plus 196, the selling price is 1,176 pesos. Answer: the stove was increased by 196 pesos and was sold at 1,176 pesos. These are the terms used in sales tax problems. Tandaan po natin ang bawat meaning ng mga terms. Sales tax is a percent of each sale or purchase. It is commonly known as VAT or value-added tax, a tax imposed by the government at the point of sale on retail goods and services. Ang sales tax ay halaga na idinadagdag sa halaga ng produkto. Rate of sales tax is the percent to be added to the price of an item. Ang rate of sales tax naman ay ang percent na katumbas ng sales tax. Selling price is the original amount of an item. So, ang selling price ay ang orihinal na halaga ng isang produkto. Total cost is the amount of an item after the sales tax has been added to the selling price. Ang total cost naman ay ang halaga ng produkto matapos idagdag ang sales tax sa selling price. Sales tax represents percentage. Sales tax rate represents rate. Selling price represents base. The following formulas are used in solving sales tax problems. Para madaling tandaan ang formula, gagamit tayo ng Patience triangle. Sa percentage, papalitan natin ng ST or sales tax. Sa rate naman, papalitan natin ng STR or sales tax rate. Sa base naman, papalitan natin ng SP or the selling price. Para makuha ang formula ng sales tax, makikita natin sa Patience triangle na ang nasa taas ay ang ST or sales tax. Ang gagawin natin, imumultiply lang natin yung dalawang nasa baba, yung STR at SP. So, ang formula natin ngayon ay sales tax or ST equals selling price times sales tax rate or vice versa. Ibig sabihin kahit baliktaran. Para makuha naman ang formula ng sales tax rate or STR, tingnan natin ang Patience triangle. Ang nasa taas ay ang sales tax. Ang nasa baba sa kanan ay ang SP or selling price. So, ang magiging formula natin ay sales tax rate or STR equals sales tax divided by selling price times 100%. Kapag selling price naman ang ating hahanapin or SP, ang nasa taas ay ang sales tax, then ang nasa baba ay ang STR or sales tax rate. So, ang magiging formula natin ay selling price or SP equals sales tax divided by sales tax rate. Ang next na formula ay wala sa Patience triangle. So, tatandaan po natin ito. Total cost or TC equals selling price plus sales tax. Computing for the sales tax and total cost. Example 1. A group of grade 6 pupils ate in a fast food restaurant. If their orders totaled 750 pesos plus 12% VAT, how much is the total amount they paid to the cashier? Given, 750 pesos is the selling price. 12% or 0.12 is the sales tax rate. At ang ating hahanapin or isusolve ay ang sales tax at total cost. Paano naging 0.12 ang 12%? Same case sa mga nauna, palitan po ang percent ng decimal point, then move 2 places to the left. Kaya, from 12%, ang decimals natin ay 0.12. Using formula, Sales tax equals selling price times sales tax rate. Selling price is 750 times sales tax rate, which is 12%. Change 12% to decimals. So, magmumove lang tayo ng 2 places to the left. So, 750 times 0.12. Using long multiplication, 750 times 0.12, the product is 90. So, ang ating sales tax ay 90 pesos. Total cost equals selling price plus sales tax. Selling price is 750 pesos. Sales tax is 90 pesos. So 750 plus 90, the total cost is 840 pesos. Answer. The orders had a sales tax of 90 pesos and the total cost is 840 pesos. Computing for the selling price and total cost. Example 2. A food item has a sales tax of 22 pesos and 40 centavos or 4%. How much is the selling price of the item? How much is the total cost paid by the customer? Given, 22 pesos and 40 centavos is the sales tax. 4% or 0.04 is the sales tax rate. At ang isusolve natin ay ang selling price or total cost. Paano naging 0.04 ang 4%? Changing percent to decimals, palitan po ang percent ng decimal point, then move 2 places to the left. Dahil kulang ang ating digit, magdagdag po tayo ng 0. So from 4%, ang decimals ay 0.04. Using formula, selling price equals sales tax divided by sales tax rate. Sales tax is 22.40 divided by sales tax rate, which is 4%. 22.40 divided by 0.04. So, pinalitan natin ang 4%, ginawa nating decimals. 22.40 divided by 0.04, the quotient is 560. So, ang selling price natin is 560 pesos. Total cost equals selling price plus sales tax. Selling price is 560 pesos plus sales tax, which is 22 pesos and 40 centavos. 560 plus 22.40, the total cost is 582 pesos and 40 centavos. Answer. The selling price of the item is 560 pesos and the total cost is 582 pesos and 40 centavos.